I've just created this link tree so it's easier for you guys to contact me. You can do so through my Instagram or my crypto Twitter that I've just recovered. If you want to support me as a creator, you can do so over here and just send in a thank you message. Thank you guys.
Going everyone, back with another emergency update for Quant. I had someone in the comments saying, you throw around emergency a lot. So I just commented back, emergency! Oh guys, it just simply because like it is a time where we have to be really focused on the markets. We're at key level of support over here, the golden pocket, which we are rejecting as support. But every time we run into this resistance, we're respecting it as resistance. So it really is time for laser eye focus on the market. This is why I'm calling for these emergency updates. And another one today because we had the stupid Fed the Jerome Powell had his meeting today. I was trading the NAS and the US 30 with one of my students live in the mentorship lesson, and we profited some just bit before the fundamental news event came out. We did profit on a little trade. So it was nice to show one of my students that happening live. Again, if you want to take action on the course or the mentorship, I have a video at the end of this, well after this. There's going to be a video at the end on how you can take action. But very quickly, in the top right corner, there's an information button. You just hit that. It will bring up two links. One to my link tree where you can message me on my Instagram or Twitter. And another one which will just take you to my Buy Me a Coffee site. And then you can just book in the mentorship there or book in the course there. But heading over to Quant, again, we keep rejecting this golden pocket. It's so annoying because even though we're rejecting and holding its support, we're not going anywhere with it. Yes, over the weekend we made a video, we came up to the 20 moving average, but as long as we're closing under $131 for $131, yes, correct, that means we're not going to invalidate this trade. So the trade is still valid down to $100, $105. It doesn't mean 100% we're going there, even though the pattern has broken out, validating $106. It's not a 100% thing. We can hit these fib levels and bounce just as we did over here. We met the 1414, bounced. If we climbed above 131 that day, that means 106 is no longer happening. But did we climb above 131 and close up there? No, we did not. And so it does not invalidate the trade. It means the trade is still going on and we should expect continuation lower and lower and lower. But again, as we said in the last update, we need to close below $124. This red line right here. If we close below with a daily candle underneath $124, then we are getting this continuation lower towards this target. The next stops on the way would be 115, 108. And then of course our target down at 105. I'm going to pull out some fibs. I'm going to first of all place my fibs from down here to the top, and we can see that it's giving us some retracement levels. One is which we've already bounced off, being this golden pocket, but I'm going to put this all the way to the bottom of the move where we dumped in November. This was the FTX capitulation, so I'm going to measure from there as we did double bottom and continue up. So this is my lowest point. There are other charts just like this one that has a much lower point, but don't worry about that chart. The lines I mean. But over here, measuring from here being the one fib level at $94 and the zero at $163, we are sitting currently on the golden pocket over here. So I will get rid of these other fib levels because it can get a bit confusing. But we can see we're sitting on the 0.5 fib, which is $124. And as long as we can remain above this, all we're simply doing is resetting Quant for another wave up. Now, we are still under the bear market box. We are still under this yellow descending triangle line. Again, if you lose $100, this opens up 70 to 77 to 83. It also opens up $45 to $50 if we lose 100. But we haven't yet lost 100, so it's nothing to worry about as of now. We're just resetting the market, coming into this golden pocket. We have validated targets lower, all the way down at the 786 fib. But in actual fact, guys, let me just get rid of this and this. Well, I'll keep the neckline. But in actual fact, guys, 786 is actually the deepest we can retrace before continuation upwards. So all market is doing is pushing, resetting for another wave up. And the deepest you can go on the reset is the 786 fib, which is actually the target out of this head and shoulders over here. or just a descending triangle, or M pattern, or whatever you want to call it. This being one top, this being second top, this being your neckline, whatever you want to call it, descending triangle, M pattern, or head and shoulders, they've actually got all the same target. So it doesn't even matter what the argument is for your case. They've all got the same targets, target being $106, neckline 131. And as long as we're underneath 131, we're going to keep trying to break through this golden pocket, right? But this golden pocket, as long as we're above it, is going to keep trying to push us up to where? Up to invalidate 131. That's why we saw this initial bounce to there, but rejecting and confirming this newly formed bearish cross as resistance. So yes, we formed a bearish cross on the daily time frame. It means that's now in a daily downtrend, but we've seen them in the past, and we've had many moments where they work in the short term or not at all. For example, over here, we had a bearish cross that flipped into a bullish one. And all after that cross had happened, look where the cross actually occurred on this red dump. Can you see? It's directly in line with this red candle actually over here. So you only went a little bit lower and you went sideways before going up. So it wasn't the greatest of signals. Once it appeared, it was technically already saying we're pretty much at the bottom and then we're going back up. So could this be a lagged indicator again? I don't know. We need time to tell, because the reason why I'm saying I don't know is because we have validated a target to $106. We have confirmed a bearish cross as resistance. We run into it trying to break above it? No, we held it as resistance. These are all signals for bearish continuation. But we've got a point right now where the bulls are allowed to step in, where they should step in for the continuation to break the descending triangle that could send us back to $50, but also to go ahead and break through this bear market box, which is what's going to constantly put selling pressure over our heads. So it's all about this key support over here between 116 and 124, but as we are at 124, I'm focused on 124. Yes, there's a level below here, 116, and a level below that at 106, which is the actual target. I'll just show you how I got the target from the neckline to the highest wick over there. Put it on the breakdown, and so this is what should be the case unless we reclaim $131. That is my update for Quant today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to play you a little clip right now on how you can take action on the course or the mentorship. You can even go to the home page of my YouTube. In the top right corner there will be a link tree and a buy me a coffee and a Twitter link. If not, you can hit the top right here. There's an information button up here in the top right corner of the video, inside the video. And this will take you either to my link tree, where you can find the links to my Twitter and Instagram, or take you straight to my buy me a coffee, where you can book the mentorship if you wanted. But I prefer if you contact me, and yeah, we'll do it over Twitter or Instagram. Let me guys know in the comment section below what you think is going to happen with Quant next. And please do like, subscribe and comment. And here's the video now. Thank you guys.
So I'll quickly show you guys how you take action, whether you want to support me or take action on the course or the mentorship. Simply hit this link tree over here on my homepage. It will then take you to over here, where you can obviously just come from my YouTube. This is my crypto Twitter. I've just got it back, so help me reach 2,000 followers over there. I will be doing a 5,000 subscriber giveaway for my course over there. Free course giveaway will be on my crypto Twitter, so make sure you're following me there. I've just opened up an Instagram for anyone that's not on crypto Twitter, or not on Twitter, sorry. For those that just have Instagram, you can private message me over there to get started on the course or the mentorship. You do get the chat with both options as well. If you just want to support me as a creator, that's through here. But going back to my homepage, you can just simply click the Twitter button here, just to quickly go to Twitter, or you can click this section. Now, this section is a little bit different. Again, you can buy me a beer if you want. I know a lot of you have said that in the past. We're going to bookings over here. You can get the one-to-one mentorship, it goes through it, as well as the crypto course over here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you do like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you in the next update. Peace.